Sign's looking pretty good. I think I even spelled everything correctly. I'm sure you'll let me know if I didn't. Hey everybody, it's Scott, Simcoe Spring Service, and today I'm announcing that I'm going to be at the Toronto Spring Camping and RV Show and Sale. That's a mouthful, but apparently it's the big one, the biggest one in North America. So we're going to be there, we're going to be selling trailer parts. You can come down, check out our booth, look for my sign. Hopefully this will be hung up somewhere at the booth, and you can come down and talk to me. We can talk about spring, suspension, upgrades, trailers, campers, trucks, you name it. If you want to come down and say hi, I'll be there. I'm going to be in the store area, which if you look at the International Center map, it's going to be at the bottom right corner. It's basically where all the retail stores are going to be. So if you want to come say hi and check out our spot, you can take a look at everything that we're going to have there. We're going to have heavy duty upgrades for pickup trucks. We're going to have trailer parts, suspension components, trailer lift kits, and all that fun stuff. So the deal that we're doing for the show this time is free shipping. Anything purchased off our online store, whether it's with me in person or anything that week, it's going to be free shipping to anywhere across Canada. I'm also going to be handing these out at the booth. It's going to be my business card, and then on the back end, it's going to have a QR code for a one-time discount, 15% off, and it's good till the end of the year. So make sure you come by to our booth and get your card, get your free shipping, and ask me any questions that you want. So come check it out, Toronto RV Show, International Center. It's going to be from February 26th, 27th, 28th, and March 1st. So come check it out. I'll see you there. Have yourself a great day. Bye.